117 species in genus Lactuca. July 30th. Lactuca, Lactuca, the lettuce plant, represents July 30th. Lactuca symbolizes simplicity and nourishment. You bring a calming presence and essential support to those around you. Like its tender leaves, you provide comfort, balance, and sustenance to the lives you touch. Lactuca, more than just lettuce. I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the natural world, especially when it comes to plants. One genus that has particularly caught my attention is Lactuca, more commonly known as lettuce. While most people associate the word lettuce with the crisp green leaves found in salads, the genus Lactuca encompasses a surprising variety of species, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. A diverse genus. Lactuca belongs to the Asteraceae family, which also includes sunflowers, daisies, and dandelions. It's a large genus, with over 100 recognized species distributed across the globe, primarily in temperate regions of Eurasia. These species range from annuals and biennials to perennials and even shrubs. They exhibit a wide array of forms, with flower heads boasting vibrant colors like yellow, blue, or white. Some Lactuca species, like Lactuca sativa, are cultivated for their edible leaves and have become staples in our diets. Others, however, are considered weeds, often found growing wild in fields and along roadsides. Despite their differences, all Lactuca species share a common trait. They produce a milky sap, or latex, which is characteristic of the Asteraceae family. Beyond the salad bowl. While Lactuca sativa is undoubtedly the most well-known member of the genus, many other species deserve recognition. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A closer look at Lactuca sativa. Of course, no discussion of Lactuca would be complete without delving into the star of the genus. Lactuca sativa, the lettuce we all know and love. This species has been cultivated for thousands of years, with evidence suggesting its origins in ancient Egypt. Over time, humans have selectively bred Lactuca sativa to produce a wide range of varieties, each with its own distinct flavor, texture, and appearance. Some of the most popular lettuce varieties include crisp head. This type, also known as iceberg lettuce, is characterized by its tightly packed, crunchy leaves and mild flavor. Butterhead, known for its soft, delicate leaves and buttery texture. This variety includes popular types like Bibb and Boston lettuce. Romaine, with its elongated leaves and slightly bitter taste, romaine lettuce is a favorite for Caesar salads. Loose leaf. This category encompasses a variety of lettuces with loosely arranged leaves, including red and green leaf lettuce. The future of Lactuca. As our understanding of plant genetics and breeding techniques advances, we can expect to see even more diversity within the Lactuca genus. Researchers are constantly working to develop new lettuce varieties with improved traits, such as increased disease resistance, enhanced nutritional value, and better adaptation to different climates. The future of Lactuca is promising, with potential applications extending beyond the culinary world. Scientists are exploring the use of Lactuca species for phytoremediation, a process that uses plants to remove pollutants from the environment. Additionally, research is being conducted on the potential medicinal benefits of various Lactuca species, particularly their anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. In conclusion, the genus Lactuca is a fascinating and diverse group of plants with a rich history and a promising future. From the familiar crunch of iceberg lettuce in a summer salad to the potential medicinal benefits of wild lettuce species, Lactuca continues to surprise and intrigue us with its versatility and potential.